Hi everyone, welcome again to Fun and Science channel. Today we are going to run an experiment. Have you ever heard about volcano eruption or lava eruption? Something like this. Okay, alright. Today we are going to run an experiment or produce an artificial lava or volcano eruption. Let's do it. Okay, what I have got here, a small glass jar, some water, a dye product, okay, or it is known as a food coloring product for cakes, cooking oil, aspirin. You can get this from pharmacy, all right, let's do it. Now I'm going to pour this cooking oil into this glass jar. Okay. Alright, I'm going to add some water. Not much. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to add the dye product. Here you go. Beautiful. All right. You can try this at home, all right? Maybe your mother can help you as well in the kitchen, okay? All right. Okay, I think that's enough. All right. Okay, now we are going to add the aspirin, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah, can you see that? You. Can you see the eruption? Okay. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hopefully you have just got a good time watching this video. You can try this experiment at home. It's very easy. Okay, have fun and don't forget to like and subscribe this Fun Math and Science channel. See you in next video. Bye.